Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be cutting my own hair. I usually do cut my own hair. I haven't gone anywhere professionally to get it done in a really long time. What I usually do is I follow a YouTube tutorial, which is what I'm going to do today. But I haven't cut my own hair in so long that I've lost my kind of confidence in my ability to do it. So I felt like it might be a little more interesting that way. The person's tutorial that I'm going to be following, I'm going to put it right here because I don't want to butcher her name or anything. So her name's going to be right here, and I'll link her video that I'm following in the description box. And also, if I seem a little bit unenthused, it's because I'm really sick. I waited all week to film this video because I was like, I'm gonna be home alone. I'm gonna have the house to myself Wednesday and Thursday. Perfect day to film, no interruptions. Wednesday I get sick. I went to film this video yesterday, today's Thursday, and I was feeling sick, but I was like, I gotta film this video. So I got up to do it. I took a shower, I washed my hair, and then as soon as I got out of the shower, I had like this huge fever, and I had the fever for the rest of the day. I just felt so awful, and I still feel really bad today, and my voice probably sounds really crazy. So if you're wondering at all why I may be acting like a little bit unenthused, I feel like ass. Okay, let's get started. I'm a little nervous to do this. So my hair's grown out quite a bit. I'm just gonna cut the ends off. I really want short hair, but I'm gonna cut it to about right here in case I mess up. I want it a little bit shorter, like up to my shoulders, but I'm gonna cut it a little bit below in case I do mess up and I need to go somewhere to get it fixed. But we're just gonna start with about this length today, and if I like it, I'll just fix it up again. Also, my hair is so dry and damaged, and one of the reasons I want to cut it is because my hair is like really thin, but it gets tangled so easy. And I love long hair. Like, long hair is my absolute favorite. I think it looks beautiful on literally everybody, and I think it looks great on me, but I can only have it long and down like the first day of the week that I wash it, and then after that it gets tangled and I have to wear it in a bun for the rest of the week. Because even though my hair is thin and it's really tangly, it's also curly, and so if I brush it, it just doesn't look right. So if I want the curls in my hair during the week, I would have to get in the shower and or wet it, and that just takes away from all the hair care. And also, Mary dyed my hair black probably around Valentine's Day. I think it was Valentine's Day actually, and it was one of those box dyes, and I literally never dye my hair. No, she didn't dye it black. It was black blue. I was so excited about it. I thought that was super cute, and then the blue washed out literally within a couple of days. And I could tell the difference between my hair right away. Like, it was completely fried out. Like, I was constantly doing masks and putting coconut oil in my hair, and my hair was super healthy. And then I do one box dye and my hair is completely ruined. And then the blue washes out within just a couple of days. I was so upset. So even though I think the black looks, you know, it looks all right, I'm completely over it. I want my natural brown hair back. I wouldn't mind some like blonde highlights and stuff, especially for the summertime. But for now, I'm just gonna focus on like being able to maintain it and getting it healthy again, because I do very much like my hair long, but this just, it's not cutting it, and having it up in a bun literally 24/7 is not the best. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this girl's tutorial. So she brushes out her hair. Can you see what I mean when I brush my hair with my curly? It just kind of like floofs out, and that's just not what I'm going for. Oh, I feel so gross. You know when you're sick and you don't have a fever, but you feel all like sweaty and gross all the time? Yeah, that's me right now. And I threw on a little bit of makeup for this video, so I would feel a little bit better about myself because I was looking dead. But I threw a little bit of makeup on, and it was like completely pointless to put it around my nose. I did it anyway, but now I'm just like, ew, red patches, like, ugh. So she brushes her hair out and she parts it where she wants it parted. And this is about where I have my part usually. And then she sections it into 2 sections and just gives herself some pigtails. All right, cool, cool. And now she says take another rubber band, and I don't have rubber bands, I have regular hair bows, so that's what I'm gonna do. She says just take one and tie them right below the original one, and you're eventually gonna like slide it down, and that's gonna determine how low or like where your cut's gonna be. And this may be a complete flop. I may completely screw this up, but oh well. It's just hair, and I keep it in a bun anyway. Let's see, I want mine, ooh, maybe a little bit lower, because I feel like this isn't going to go as smoothly as I originally thought it was. I think this is good. I think that's enough to cut off to say that I cut my hair. And she shows a close-up of her split ends, and this is what I'm working with. This definitely needs to be chopped off. Okay, this is the part where she cuts her hair, and I'm really nervous. And these are not like hair cutting scissors whatsoever. I'm just using what I have. I'm so nervous. I don't know why I've done this before. I've never used this method before. It feels wrong. Okay, here I go. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening right now. I'm doing it. Oh no, I messed up. Well, it's not as bad as I thought. I messed up. I went like at a kind of a curvy angle, but I can fix it. I can fix it. There's still hope. Okay, let me do the other one and then I'll try to match them up. Oh my god, I'm getting Lord Farquaad vibes right now. Oh no. Oh no. I did another angle. Look at this. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can get it to focus. Look at this. That's not okay. Look at this one. Oh my god. I'm really glad I went into this with the knowledge that I could totally fuck it up, because that's that's what's happening. Oh my god. I'm saving these for the thumbnail. This is crazy. I've cut my hair before, but I've never done it in the little... Okay, what next, Cherie? So what she does next is she takes her bows out and reveals the cut, and then she'll see how even it is, and then we look at the back, and it's gonna be choppy right now, but like, oh my god, like, see, this is so much longer than this. Oh wow, I can fix that. Like, that's totally fixable. That's just as easy as a couple of snips. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. It's okay. And then she reveals the back. So I'm gonna brush it out so I can show you. And it's gonna be choppy. But this is what the back is looking like. It pretty much looks the same as hers did, except for my little end pieces that are completely uneven. I'm gonna try to clean those up real quick. This doesn't go along with her part of the tutorial. And I'm not going to get it like even. I just want to get it to where it's manageable when we do have to clean it up. Alright, so what she does next is she sections her hair off so she can work with the bottom layers. So I've got to kind of put it half up, half down. Alright, that's pretty decent. I look like a hipster now. Alright, so she takes one side at a time and she combs it out. And she makes sure that everything is really flat and straight with her fingers. And of course, I'm not going to get it perfect. And we just slide it down. And we just make those ends straight. What you saw me doing where I was like cutting upwards all the way across, she said that was something you do after you cut the jagged edges off so that it makes it not so harsh. So we'll see. I've never done that before. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we'll see. I'm gonna change my shirt real quick because it's kind of hard to see like black on black while I'm cutting this. And yeah, this could be bad at the end, but I want to try to make it the best I can make it look. So hold on one second. Alright, I'm back with a shirt on. I can see what I'm doing a little better now. And I'm gonna keep on keeping on. So after going through all the layers, she says next what she does is she runs the straightener through her hair and kind of straightens it out a little bit, and then we'll see like what are all the extra pieces that needs cutting. And I can already tell that there's going to be a few on mine, but it's going to take me a little bit longer to straighten my hair because all I have is this really tiny straightener that I got in a BoxyCharm. My straightener broke, of course it broke, but all I have is a baby one, so I'm glad my hair is short at this moment. This is as straight as it's gonna get. I actually had to cut the camera off for a little bit because this little straightener was too much. It took way too long. Like, who is this for? This straightener sucks. Who is using this thing? Like, I get it's small for travel and stuff, but honestly, I would just pack a regular straightener because this is way too much hassle for what it's worth. And my hair is not like straight, but it's fine. So what she does next is she turns around and she shows the back of her hair, and she's like, as you can see, it's still choppy and the ends aren't straight, and as you can see, that's exactly how mine is. Still choppy, still needs some work. It's not completely straight all the way across, which is my goal and was her goal. So what she says to do is to do that layering thing again. We're gonna section it off into layers one more time, and basically it's gonna be the same cut, but we're gonna do the inner corners of that cut at an upward angle. And that's supposedly gonna make that straight cut all the way across. We will see. Okay, so I did that. I'm gonna wipe this hair off my shirt. This has taken way longer than I thought it would be. It's been a couple hours now, and I thought that I would be in and out. I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm feeling a little nauseous now, and I'm glad this is over. It's not perfect. It's done, but it's definitely not perfect. It's not something I'm like, oh my God, look at my hair. But, you know, it's still choppy. It's still got some unevenness, but to be honest, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it's not like crazy looking. My camera battery is blinking at me, so I've got to hurry this up. Yeah, I've never used this method before. I thought it was pretty cool, but I do like my hair short. I think it looks neat, and the plus side to having curly hair is I can cover up all my mistakes. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Hairdressers, real hairdressers, please don't come for me. I'm literally just a person in my bathroom. And even though I don't have particular skill, I feel like Cherie Anon, I'm gonna put her name right here so I don't butcher it, did a pretty good job at explaining it. But yeah, It's not the greatest, but I don't have the greatest skill in hair, and I'm pretty happy with it overall, especially when I curl it. It's gonna look pretty good. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so before you leave. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you see all my future uploads. I'm gonna try to get on an upload schedule. I'm gonna try to be on every Monday and Friday. For now, just look for me on Mondays and Fridays. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, so it's a few hours later and I wet my hair earlier as soon as I got done filming, and I let my hair dry as it normally would, and I wanted to show you guys that I'm not like royally screwed if I missed a spot. This is what the cut is going to look like on a day-to-day basis. I think I did all right. Alright guys, I feel so sick at this point. I'm ready to take my makeup off and take a shower and go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye guys. What I usually do is follow a YouTube tutorial. What I usually do is follow a YouTube tutorial. What I usually do is follow a YouTube tutorial. I cannot say that today. I'm glad I went into this with the. I'm glad I takes one side at a time, and she. Excuse me. And thank you so much for